Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my sixth video. Today I'm going to talk about my biggest GED mistake. So I have few. The first thing is coming to my mind is when I'm studying, I have long gaps. So the first one I have is, for example, if I study science subject, then for example, if we think like I have 10 lessons, then I studied one lesson, then after that I'm not studying like whole 2 to 3 weeks, sometimes 1 month. Then when I'm going back to study again, then I forget the first lesson. Then I have to go back to first lesson and study again. Then I'm going to second lesson. Then I finished the second lesson. But again I have a really big gap. Then I have to study the first one and the second one because I can't remember anything. So that's why I have a little gap, and that's waste my time. That's the really big mistake I did. And because that happened because of with the lack of motivation, and because lack of motivation mean my English is not good and I can't understand and like that. But even I'm getting better, a little bit better, I have a really bad time problem with the manage my time. So I found a solution for that too. Then I like to talk about in the different video. And this one, that's the one of my biggest mistake I did, because I had really hard time to make a target. Making a target. For example, if I think like, okay, I'm going to do my exam, my science exam, GED exam, or practice test next week, I'm scared to give that timeline for me, because I was scared like, okay, I wouldn't be able to do it. So that's one of my mistake. Then but if I have a target, then if I manage my time, then I can take less time. Even my English even my English have a really little bit bad. I think if my English is really bad, but if I manage my time, I wouldn't be able to do more better than, less in less time frame. But it is, I'm always saying, it is depends on every person. Okay, then next one. Next one is I'm always worried about the other people think about me, because everybody say that you are not smart enough. Then I believe it. So for you, don't do it. So just first thing is, forget about everything. Forget about the other people thinking about you. So confident, to build up your confidence, no matter what the other people say, just tell yourself you got this, like that. Then that will motivate you, and that will help you to keep going. And it's all about you. And other thing, what else? I think that's all I have. And I'm not regret that I didn't get any classes, because I learned lots of stuff from my mistakes. And I only pay for my GED exams and my books. Then I didn't pay for any courses. So but I learned lots of stuff learning alone. So I'm happy about it. And if I did again GED differently, first thing I'm doing is I make a timeline, and I make a target, and I'm doing in row, like study and doing the practice test, and then I'm going find my weak point, and I'm study again, and I'm doing to my exam. So that's what I'm doing. And the advice I'm going to give you is, first thing, never ever give up. No matter where you are right now, just do it and study. Every time study. It is hard, but you got this. Second time, make a target and make a timeline, and say that, okay, I am going to study this subject today, and I'm going to finish this in like few weeks. When you're planning the few weeks, for example, if you just a realistic target, you must take get a realistic target, because if it is not realistic, it is not going to be happen. Because I have that, I thought like, okay, I can finish the whole four subjects in 1 week. I can do it. The first thing is understand your pattern, and understand your what is that called, understand your speed, how speed you are. If you're slow, it's okay, just take your time. If you take like 2 months to understand one lesson, just take the 2 months, understand and do practice test and do your exam. It's okay. Then according to that, then manage your target time and plan your target. So that is exactly the way you are, because I am different, you are different, another person different, so people different. So find your type, and I can find your type, you can find your type. So that's how you're doing it right, and find your study pattern and study style. It's hard, but with the time, when you're doing the same thing again and again, you will be getting there. So that is, I have to give you advice. And again, thank you for watching me, and I really appreciate your cooperation with me, and the messages, and I mean the comments you are give my channel. And if anybody success and pass the GED exam, and because of this video series, I am so happy about that. And if you have any question, just drop a comment below, then I will make a video for that. And thank you so much again for watching my videos, and see you until next time. And happy study.